Good afternoon. Today I'm going to be comparing the Web 2.0 tools of PowerPoint versus Google Slides. Both are digital presentation tools that you can use to create slideshows. And so in my example, I'm going to show you how to insert videos into those slideshows using both tools. So we'll begin with PowerPoint. So we're going to start out with just making a title slide. Just put my name in the class name. Then we're going to go to home where we're going to add new slide. And because we're doing a video, I'm going to change the layout to that and make it blank. All right. So now we have our blank slide. We're going to go to insert, over to media, a video, this device, and enter in this screencast that I previously made for a reconstruction video. And if you look down here, it shows you where PowerPoint is inserting media. And our video is going to come up. We can crop it if we need to. All right. And I'm going to make sure I hit save. And while that is saving, we're going to go ahead and go over to Google. And I'm going to show you how to get to Google Slides. So you go to google.com, click on the little buttons, go down to slides here, and I'm already logged in. And it's going to start you out with the blank presentation. They also have template galleries, and you can see down here some other slideshows that I previously made. So we're going to start with a blank slide. And the difference here is, as you'll see, it starts you out, you can have that same title page. It gives you an untitled presentation because we haven't named it yet. And you can start out and we'll do the same thing, make our title page, or title slide rather, as soon as it catches up. And while it's working on that, we can go here and rename our presentation. And again, this is all going to automatically save to your online Google account. So it shows save to drive. Last edit was seconds ago. Okay. All right. And we're just going to make our title slide. Gosh. Make our title slide. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go over here, right click, add new slide. Turn that slide layout blank. All right. And then we're going to insert our video here as well. So then we'll go to insert. Here it gives you a drop down menu for video. You can do videos that are online. You can do by URL or Google Drive. Google Drive, and it also shows you different options here. So what we would do, we could insert our video from here. And it would give us the same effect as the PowerPoint. So we're going to go back to our PowerPoint really quickly, and I want to show you how our slideshow looks. We're going to play it from the beginning, and we would just click it, and then we would click our video. And here you'll see the video that I made previously with Screencast, showing you how to use Google products. It was Google Docs, or sorry, Google Classroom and Blogger. So it's very similar. And I'm just going to pause that video and exit, end our slideshow here. So we're going to go back. And again, this will be the same thing if we add our video in from here. And I'm just going to upload, and just to show you how it's a different video, but show you how to select. And it shows you creating video. And there we go. And what we can do, it's already saved. It saves after you add it in. And that's one feature that I like. Both of them, again, are very similar. I have more experience using PowerPoint than I do Google Slides, but they're both similar products. A lot of people like the Google Slides because it automatically saves. You can share it and work simultaneously with others on your presentations. But PowerPoint also has that same feature as well. So that's my comparison of the Web 2.0 tools. Thank you.